Okay, let's say that I've entered a few journals and I just want to see, well, what have I put in so far? Review my work to date. Um, you could just go out to the menu here and do this, but SAP also allows you to do open multiple windows. So you can go to the System menu and create a new session, Create Session. And up pops another window. So I actually have two SAP windows open at the same time, which makes things kind of nice. So now I'll go to my accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, and now I'm going to go down to my information system and I'm going to look at some general ledger reports. And here I will look at my documents, general documents. And here's one called Compact Document Journal. So if I double click on that, a screen opens up that lets me choose the parameters I want to display in my report. And right now all I want is my company number, 8079, and give me everything since I don't have very much in there. Now if I were at a Fortune 500 company, I would probably want to limit this much more by limiting it to a fiscal year, maybe even to a range of posting dates, just entries that were made within a week or whatever. Here you can filter it even further, standard documents, documents that you may have parked by accident, so that might be a good one to look at some point. And so you make your selections and then you click the execute button here, the little clock and check mark, and SAP runs your report. So here you can see, here's my beginning balance entry that I made, journal number 1, journal entry number 1, journal entry number 2, 3, 4, and so forth. And you'll find that the scroll bars here in SAP work, if you've worked with older versions of the Mac or Unix machines, kind of similar to what they work with, what those scroll bars look like, where you have a set both at the top and at the bottom. Okay, so now we've got our compact journal report, and you can see that we have a list of entries. This one is the original beginning balance entry I made. And you can see the posting key here, 50 for debits, 40 for credits. Different ERP systems are going to record that differently. And you can see I've got my debit accounts set up with a positive balance, my credit accounts set up as a negative balance. And again, that's going to vary from GL system to GL system. It just depends on the conventions used by the developers of that particular system. So in SAP, a debit balance is a positive balance back internally in the database, and a credit balance is a negative balance. So here, that was my original beginning balance reference entry, and as I scroll down, here's my first journal entry for business event number 1, journal entry number 2, journal entry number 3. So anyway, once you have that report, you can check your transactions and make sure that you have them entered in appropriately. We'll look at another report in another video.